nobody can go. But he could see in 2008, and he could commend it with that left hand, the righteous hand of God that you see there, that he bears. That's one other thing you did not know. It is this hand here, the righteous hand of God that he bears. And then he pushed the neutron stars at the speed greater than light. And the neutron star went and struck each other and shook. Listen to this now. There are more than 10 trillion galaxies in the universe here. Andromeda is the next one to us here. We are in the Milky Way galaxy. Now, every galaxy contains almost more than 10 trillion planets. There are more than 10 trillion galaxies discovered. Those, God has hidden some. God, the Lord, has taken me to some at the end of the universe that have not been discovered. He has taken me, I've seen them. In fact, towards the end, it's almost like iron metal. Because you hear the sound as if you're in a drum in an iron space. At the end, he took me to the end. So there are those galaxies not yet discovered. But those discovered, there are more than 10 trillion galaxies. Now, ours is called the Milky Way. Our nearest neighbor is called Andromeda. Now, our own galaxy, there are 10 trillion galaxies, but our own one galaxy here, it has more than 10 trillion planets. And there are many planets bigger than the Earth. The Earth is one of the smallest. There are those like Cygna. There are those planets that are 600 billion times the size of our sun. There are bigger suns that are 600 billion times bigger than our sun. Those are heavy. Our sun, I think, takes about, rather, one neutron star takes about, I think, 1.95 million suns in terms of mass. But anyhow, our galaxy, so there are 10 trillion planets, heavier than Earth, suns. And then 10 trillion plus galaxies. Then now he sent he that speaks with you here to use the righteous hand, the left prophetic hand, and push one neutron star and another. And actually, if you listen to the prophecy, one of them he pushed from another galaxy. So it crossed over from another galaxy, quite a distance. And you see, he says they will chase one another. The prophecy is all over the web. They say, in fact, and you see when the day it is fulfilled, 13 years later, when it's fulfilled, you see them chase each other. And then when they meet, and when they explode, look at this now, it shook the entire universe.